Electric cars are slowly capturing the automotive market. The world's largest automotive manufacturers started manufacturing all-electric vehicles. India is one of the biggest automotive markets in the world. The government of India promotes electric cars with incentives and special schemes that helpful for the manufacturers and the customers. As a result, the electric car market grows in Indian automotive industry. Here is a list of the best electric cars in India. Number 1. Hyundai Kona. Hyundai Kona is India's first all-electric SUV. The company claims a driving range of 452 km for this car. The car provides a battery warranty of 8 years or 1,60,000 km. Hyundai Kona Electric accelerates from 0 to 100 km in 9.7 seconds. The fast charging facility charges the car from 0 to 80% in 60 minutes. The level 2 household wall charger charges the car from 0 to 100% in 6 hours. The normal charging takes 19 hours to fully charge the battery. Number 2. Mahindra E2O. Mahindra Electric manufactures electric car E2O Plus with 19 kilowatt 3-phase induction motor that could deliver 70 Nm torque at 1050 rpm. The vehicle is powered by 280 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery that takes 7 hours 20 minutes to get fully charged with 3 kilowatt single-phase 60 ampere charger. A 10 kilowatt 3-phase 32 ampere charger would reduce the charging time to 1 hour 35 minutes. Mahindra E2O Plus runs at a top speed of 89 km per hour. It travels 140 km with a fully charged battery. Its other key features are regenerative braking, smartphone app connectivity, pre-cool, and Mahindra Electric patent technology Revive that extends the range to a few additional kilometers when the situation demands. The ex-showroom price of the car is 7,34,000 rupees including government incentives. The car has a warranty of 3 years or 60,000 kilometers. Number 3. MG ZS EV. The Morris Garages sells all-electric car MG ZS EV in India. The ZS EV is powered by an all-electric motor that develops 143 HP and 353 Nm, drawing power from 44.5 kWh battery pack. It comes with fast charging that takes around 50 minutes to charge from 0 to 80%. The ZS EV has a 44.5 kWh battery that offers a range of 340 km. MG claims that the vehicle accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 8.5 seconds. MG ZS EV is equipped with a visually delightful screen that gives you all the information at a glance and allows you to manage complete vehicle settings with just a touch. Number 4. Tata Nexon EV. Tata Nexon EV is India's most selling electric car. It is a made in India car. The vehicle is manufactured in the company's Pune plants. The Nexon EV was launched with 3 variants. The ex-showroom price of the vehicle ranges from 13.99 lakh to 15.99 lakh Indian rupees. 30.2 kWh high-density lithium-ion battery pack makes Nexon EV travels 312 km with a fully charged battery. The vehicle offers an 80% battery charging in 1 hour using a fast charger. The car has 2 drive mode and sport mode. A permanent magnet synchronous motor of 245 Nm peak torque drives the vehicle. Number 5. Mahindra EKUV 100. EKUV 100 comes equipped with a liquid-cooled battery pack and an electric motor of 15.9 kWh capacity. They work in tandem to generate a maximum power output of 40 kW and a maximum torque of 120 Nm. The Mahindra EKUV 100 is claimed capable of returning a driving range of 150 km on a single charge. From 0 to 80%, the eco-friendly 5-seater can charge in just 55 minutes using a fast charging facility. For a single charge, the EKUV 100 travels around 150 km. The car costs 8.25 lakhs Indian rupees. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos about electric vehicles.